Say, Bo, have you ever found that secret box on that one hidden level?
What secret box on what secret level?
Here, let me show you.
I think you upset the video game gods with that cheat code, Jethro.
No, it ain't that, Bo. It's those idiot pigs again, throwing stuff in our house.
You think so, Sugar Toe Jam?
Yeah, I think so. Now look, I'm trying to soak in the tub. Now you go out there and tell them to cut out the noise or there'll be hell to pay.
But...
No buts. Get out there before I really lose my cool.
Come on, Bo. Let's go outside and settle this.
What's wrong with you pigs? Why are you throwing crap at our house?
Because it's fun. That's why, fatty.
I'm gonna ask you nicely one time to stop it. My wife doesn't like it one bit.
Tell me, fatty, what are you gonna do about it?
How would you like it if I started throwing junk at your house?
Junk? You mean junk like your wife?
That does it. This means war.
Oh, yeah? Well, in that case, let me send the first salvo.
Well, Bo, what are you gonna lob at them?
How about this potted plant?
What was that? You throwing flowers at us? Hey, Slim, show 'em what war with us looks like. Hey, fatty, a little more impressive than some old flowers, don't you think?
Okay, Jethro, bring that junky Ford Pinto over here.
But, Bo, that's my car.
Yeah, I know.
That I drove over here this morning.
And?
Forget it. You can't lob my car at them pigs. It ain't gonna happen.
I can't believe I let you talk me into this. You were a faithful car. Let her fly.
Ha ha! Maybe you should try again. This time make it something a bit more manly. Yeah, more manly. Like a Mazda Miata.
They want to see more manly. Let them deal with this.
I don't know, Bo. I think your beer machine is too cool to waste on them there pigs.
Jethro, the cause is bigger than the machine. Let her rip.
Mighty neighborly of you, Bo. Let us send our thanks to you and the missus for this purty beer machine you just gave us.
I just can't get enough of that nasty train wreck Miley Cyrus. They ruined my magazine. And it's not like we even need another commode in here.
GJ Lean, I like what you did with your hair.
Ah, shut up, Bo.
Hey, neighbor lady, thanks for this here beer machine.
You pigs march that beer machine right back over here this instant, or there will be trouble.
Nah, we pretty much like it where it is. Yeah, we like it where it is.
You know, this is gonna end bad for you boys.
Yeah.
God damn it, Bo, shut up.
Hey, fatty, do what your little red hen tells you.
Little red hen, huh? Huh. We could have done this the easy way, but no. Now we'll have to do it the hard way.
You guys are in trouble now.
Oh, sure. I'm over here shaking like a leaf.
Yeah, like a leaf. A leaf that's sucking down a beer, that is.
Wonder what that is.
Oh, nothing. Just my little red hen fixing to get her beer back.
As you were saying, boys? Oh, and I don't need this either. But thanks just the same.